Good morning. This time we're going to be looking at how to pull some sources from a wikispaces page. It shouldn't be too terribly difficult in most instances. The first thing I'm going to want to do is click Edit. Now, any of the videos and things like that are going to be Other Widget. So we'll click Other Widget and edit the widget. It will bring up this gobbledygook, which we can make a little bit, the box a little bit bigger. But you're going to see a couple of things. You're going to just look very carefully along here. Object, and this tells us the height and width of the object. And then there's this line here where it says HTTP blah blah blah. That's the source of the video. That's the URL for the video. So all we do is we right click and we copy that, cancel this because we didn't make any changes and we don't want to accidentally make changes, and then we just come down here, sorry, to the mouse button, just come down here under it and put source :v and just paste it. If it does that where it jumps to the next line, we just hit backspace once and it arrives there. Then we click Save, and it tells us right there that we're making sure that we clearly reference it. You can also put the sources down on the bottom, but if you've got multiple videos and you want to make clear where everything's coming from, you want to have some kind of annotation here. The other thing you can do, and I don't believe that this particular page operates this way, but up here in the Save button, you click Wiki Text Editor, and that'll show us the wiki text, the text of the wiki. Now, if you've uploaded an image to wikispaces, this won't work very well. You'll have to find the original source of those images. If you have not uploaded it, when you come right here where it says image, instead of being Gettysburg Battle Map Day 1.png, you will have an actual URL there. And if we scroll down, maybe one of these images was linked, so no. All of these images were uploaded to the wiki, but if you had done a URL, let me show you real quick how to do that. So let's go back to the visual editor, which is the same way we got to the wiki text editor. And we click on File. And instead of inserting file, we click External Image. Enter the external image address, click Load. So just like you would upload a video, you copy and paste the URL from which you probably downloaded the original image and place it in this link area. When you click Load, just like when you upload a video or an image file, it'll create an icon at the bottom, and then you can use that icon, you can double click it to insert the image into the wiki. This has some pluses and some minuses. Plus, it reduces the amount of storage you're using on your wiki. Minus, if the URL changes or if the website goes away, you lose that image. So in this instance, it looks like you're going to have to go back and find some of these images. But luckily, we should be able to, so I'm going to save this page. We can't do much right now, but I'm going to save this page, and I'm going to right click this and save image as. And I'm just going to save it onto my desktop so I can remember to delete it quickly. Much more time intensive, but still. There's a website called Pictin, Tineye, and it's a reverse image search. So I can choose an image and upload it from my desktop, Gettysburg Battle Map.png, and what this will do is this will search the internet for the image. 7 search results, searched over blah, blah, blah billion. So Swift Movers, all of these different websites, Wikipedia, Encyclopedia. So you can select whichever one of these you think you selected the image from, and then just take the URL and excuse me, use that URL for your citation wherever you got the image from. But this should speed up the process of finding those original URLs by using tineye.com. As an aside, tineye.com can also help you identify sources that students might use that need referencing and so on and so forth. All right, hope this was helpful.